If you want to play Puzzle Rush on chess.com, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find it, choose your mode, and start a Puzzle Rush game in just a few clicks. This is a great way to sharpen your tactics, test your speed, and challenge yourself with quick chess puzzles. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open chess.com in your browser and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main chess.com page, look at the left sidebar. You'll see a puzzles icon there, usually shown as a puzzle piece. Hover over that puzzles icon to reveal more options. This is where chess.com keeps its puzzle-based training modes, including Puzzle Rush. Now click on Puzzle Rush. That will take you to the Puzzle Rush section, where you can choose the type of challenge you want to play. Chess.com usually gives you a few different options, so take a moment to decide which one fits your goal. If you want a fast-timed challenge, you can choose 3 minutes or 5 minutes. If you want to keep going without a time limit, you can select survival mode instead. If you're just starting out, 5 minutes may be the best choice because it gives you a little more breathing room to think. If you already move quickly and want a real speed challenge, try 3 minutes. And if you want to focus more on accuracy and consistency, survival mode is a great option because it lets you continue until you make a mistake or run out of opportunities. Once you've selected your preferred mode, look for the green play button. This is what actually starts your Puzzle Rush session. Click the green play button, and chess.com will load the puzzles for your chosen mode. After the game begins, your goal is to solve as many puzzles as possible before time runs out, or before you make too many mistakes depending on the mode. Each puzzle is a tactical position where you need to find the best move or sequence of moves. The faster and more accurately you solve them, the better your score will be. A good tip when playing Puzzle Rush is to focus on pattern recognition. Instead of calculating every position from scratch, try to spot common tactical themes like forks, pins, skewers, discovered attacks, and checkmates. The more you play, the more familiar these patterns will become, and the faster you'll improve. Also, don't rush so much that you blunder obvious moves. Even though the mode is called Puzzle Rush, accuracy still matters. It's better to solve fewer puzzles cleanly than to guess and lose your streak early. With practice, you'll find the balance between speed and precision. So to recap, hover over the puzzles icon in the left sidebar, click Puzzle Rush, choose 3 minute, 5 minute, or Survival, and then click the green play button to begin. That's all it takes to start playing Puzzle Rush on chess.com. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more chess.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.